Cats vs. Kong Kikaroo. It started as a friendship between two races led by Yoshi the cat and King Kong Kikaroo. But the cats got selfish and decided to take over and treat Kong Kikaroos as toys. The relationship went from friends to master and servants. The Kikaroos decided to revolt and escape to start their own planet. This didn't sit well with the cats and started a war between two worlds. The cats launched the first attack, but quickly were confused because they couldn't hurt the Kikaroos. They attacked again. They sniffed around and looked around. Confused, they didn't know how to hurt the Kikaroos. They attacked, but the Kikaroos didn't do anything. They just laid still, doing nothing. The cats got frustrated, looked around and didn't know what to do, and decided to leave. The first battle was won by the Kong Kikaroos. The cats went back home to train. They were determined to take over the Kong Kikaroos. They had nothing to play with and needed the Kong Kikaroos. They trained hard but couldn't find ways to conquer the Kikaroos. They trained and trained but couldn't find no solution. They kept getting away and they were losing hope. Meanwhile, on planet Kikaroo, King Kikaroo devised a plan to get on top and put all cats away in prison and conquer the cat world. Yoshi got word of this and got to work. He told all cats to keep training, that he had a plan that would work, but that no one can know, for fear that the Kikaroos would find out and foil his plans. All cats were concerned. They were going to a battle without knowing what the plan was. But Yoshi, the inspirational leader he is, gained the trust of his planet and prepared them to go to war once again. They trained and prepared to fight. The battle will go on. Make sure to stay tuned. Cats vs. Kong Kikaroos.